Hi, I'm Mel and welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe, and I thank each and every one of you who subscribed so far. If you subscribed today, I thank you too. And today, come and get December bullet journal ready with me. December starts on Sunday, and so I am doing blog and vlogmas combined. So I'm going to be doing 4 videos, 3 blogs, and then potentially I'm going to try and put some Instagram videos up as well. If you are new, obviously follow along wherever you are. If not, just come and enjoy all these Christmas videos or winter videos with me. And today we are going to just get ready for December bullet journal style. So I've got my bullet journal here. It is a navy blue, like leathery kind of style, and then it's got dotted pages in it. Let me get to the page. Like this. And so normally my spreads are 2 pages, but I'm going to make this a 4-page spread. Yes, that's right. So I'm going to share with you now. So you just need dotted paper or your bullet journal, whatever. I just find bullet journaling is easier in dotted paper. And so I just need to obviously keep that page for this week. And so I'm going to start with double page spread. I'm going to drop you down here and we're going to get started. So you probably need pencils, pens. I have got my pencil case full of Crayola pencils. I've got like drawing pencils, Sharpie pens, Papermate pens, ballpoint pens which are called Uniball Air, all sorts. But we are going to obviously get on with this now. First of all, doing like the Hello December page, and then we are going into moods for December and like goals. So here we go. Also, just before I forget, I'm not doing a weekly vlog for December, or there might be 1 or 2, but there's not that many because I want to cram it with loads of Christmassy stuff. Here above me is my swag that I made last week, basically. Yeah, last week's floristry class, and I've just added the lights, so my dad put it up to date, but there it is. And I've only got 1 class left until next term for you and 2 for me. So anyway, we're going to drop you down and do some December. Okay, so I would like a circle. I am going to do like a December theme, and I'm going to do it as marshmallow snowmen in cups. So it's like a hot chocolate with marshmallow snowmen in, and then December going up. So it will actually be the 2-page spread, and we'll add 1 in the middle for that. So we're going to start with this page first. In fact, I'll take it out for you. Okay, so we've got 1 like that. So just obviously make sure that where you put it in your binder, or your file of facts, it goes in correctly. So this is how it would be in my book. And then you've got obviously the one that side that we'll do after. So for this, I'm going to just draw like round this circle, near enough a full circle, but it is off the edge of the paper. So you can see that it's not fully on the paper, but it pretty much is. Like so. You see that? And then I'm going to just do another rough circle around the edge, so it's like the rim of the cup. You will go over this in pen, so don't worry about the dodgy line, which I'm clearly doing a dodgy line. Like that. And then I'm just going to do here like what would be the top of the handle. And then in here, it's obviously going to be coloured in brown, but you want to draw a marshmallow snowman in it. So I'm going to have his head to come out here. And that's what's good about pencil, is you can rub it out and do all the features you want. And then like a stick for its neck, and then another marshmallow for its body. Can you see that coming together? And then sticks again for arms. And little marshmallows for hands. And same here. And then again for legs, sticks. And then small marshmallows for feet. Like that. I'm going to rub out the face, the line in the face now, except this rubber is rubbish. Anyway, we'll do features on that with a pen. And then obviously you're going to do the dots down his body. And then you're going to draw eyes. It looks like a scarecrow. And there we go, we'll colour obviously in and make it all work. And then I'm going to do up the top here, just go in with my pen like I do normally, with my Uniball pen, and then just draw, or write neatly, hello. I think you'd be better this side, to be fair. December. And then I'm going to just colour in this now. We'll see what else we do. Okay, so using my Crayola pencils, I'm just going to colour in the hot chocolate colour, so browns, but light brown really. To make the snowman pop a bit more, I'm going to actually colour him in Sharpie pen. Not obviously the white, but like the eyes and the nose and like the dots. So I'm just colour his nose in. And then last of all you need to do on this page is just draw around with your Uniball pen the outline of the cup, let's say like the rim, the handle, and I am going to go around the snowman as well. And there you have your Hello December page, which I'll show you again at the end, but that is what it looks like. Now we'll go on to our mood page, so put that one to one side. Obviously have your dots down this side of the page now, because this is your moods for December. In fact, I'm doing it this way because that is how my moods work, but it's going to be upside down more. So I've got my Uniball pen and a ruler, and I need a green pen and a red pen. Okay, so for my moods chart this month, I'm going to draw like a graph, but it will be more upside down than hanging up, because what I'm going to do hangs down. So you just draw a line down, and then you want 31 lines across, so count them if you want. So there, we want to. So I've just marked that with a pencil. And now I'm just going to draw that line in. Like so. Then at the bottom here we're going to write December's mood tracker. And then I will do day 1 for you just so you can see what I'm doing, but first of all I'm just going to decorate the corners. So I'm going to draw some holly, which I don't think you can see, so I'll do it in a minute this side. So if you come here, just do like jagged edge. Oh, just drawn on me. And then red pen for the dots. Okay, so let's do day 1, which would be the first dot on the page. So draw a line down to whatever your mood is. So obviously the higher down the line, the better your mood is. If it is short, then it's really bad. So let's just do like a mediocre day. So there, so you just draw one line down, and then you're going to just draw a bit of holly on. Like that. And then 4 dots, 3 dots even in red pen for the the berries, and then you just carry on down the whole page. I'll show you one that I've already completed so you kind of know what it looks like. Let me find it. So that is October, and I've just done sunflowers. So you can see what it will look like finished. Then you want to do your goals page. So get another piece of paper, which I've got here, and then I'm going to draw out half a Christmas tree. So obviously make sure the dots are included. And then you want to cut it out. Okay, so there is your Christmas tree. Just for fun, really, and just to add something to it, I'm going to draw on the edge of it in green. I'm just going to put it on this so it doesn't go on the table. Just like literally the edge. Okay, that's quite strong. Then with my green Papermate pen and my Uniball ink pen, I'm going to write my goals. My goals might sound a little bit different to others, but it's trying to concentrate on things I'm struggling with or just reminders of what I need to do. So first of all, I go to the top of the tree or whatever shape you've drawn and do a square so you can tick it off at the end of the month, and then you want to put on here whatever you want. Come home for lunch daily. Meditate daily. Apply for health. Christmas bakes weekly. Festive outings, and then the last one I will just put here is something I'm not going to put on camera. So that is what you do, and then you clip them all in together, which I'll show you now. Okay, so I've just clipped it all in. So hello December, then I've got my goals for December, and then my mood. Obviously then you go to whatever week you're on for December. I just think this is a bit plain, so I am just going to draw a Santa's hat across the December. So I've just got my pencil. Like that, and I'm just going to do the outline of it. I'm not colouring it in like I did that. I'm just going to do an outline. In red, and then the white bits just outline in black. And there you have your December pages. And there you have your December pages. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what videos you are looking forward to this Christmas or December from my channel. And if you aren't already, please go follow me on YouTube. If you aren't subscribed, push subscribe, and I will be posting obviously Mondays, Wednesdays and Saturdays at 6 PM, but I am pretty sure it will be a Tuesday will be my extra video, but it may be a Thursday, so just push that notification bell. And then on a Sunday, let's just say it's going to either be a Tuesday or Thursday, which I'm pretty sure it'll be Thursday, Friday and Sunday will be my blog posts. And then I'm not sure when an Instagram video will go up, but I post on there every single day anyway, so go and follow that as well. That's Melanie_Kate official. My blog is www.melaniekate.co.uk if you aren't following that, and I do post different things on there, so you might want to go follow it or go check it out. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.